गौर से देखें इन 11 मासूम चेहरों को, क्योंकि इनमें से 2 ऐसे गद्दार हैं जो आज रात किसी को नहीं छोड़ेंगे। हमारे पास हैं 7 मासूम विलेजर्स, एक पुलिस ऑफिसर जो सच ढूंढ रहा है और एक डॉक्टर जो शायद किसी की जान बचा ले। लेकिन इन सब के बीच छुपे हुए हैं 2 खतरनाक माफिया जो हमारे सामने बैठकर हमें ही बेवकूफ़ बना रहे हैं। क्या आज सच की जीत होगी या झूठ की? चलिए देखते हैं। गेम शुरू।
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, Mafia, open your eyes. Okay. Mafia, who do you want to kill? Okay, Mafia, close your eyes. Cop, open your eyes. Cop, who do you want to check? Cop, close your eyes. Nurse, open your eyes. Nurse, who do you want to save? Nurse, close your eyes. Okay. Everyone open your eyes. Okay, so everyone knew Waleed was eating. Waleed was sitting there eating, watching everyone, not saying a word, and he silently choked on his food and died.
Somebody put poison in your food.
No.
Oh no.
He's always dying.
I immediately look over here.
That's not a bad shot.
यार जो bleed से सबसे ज़्यादा scare होता है ना.
These three people over here.
That's not ridiculous, but
It's not ridiculous to say.
I feel like it's very ridiculous to like
what?
to just immediately assume that. You know what I mean?
Hold on.
I feel like a gradual.
We gotta be careful.
That was so immediate. Like I like you know.
Nah, it's because you're like sitting right across from him. It would be the easiest for you to open. And plus, it didn't take him that long. Wait, take in that he said, "Mafia, open your eyes. Who do you want to kill?" Okay, Mafia, go to sleep. Like it was that quick. It's literally like
But the same thing is done for you. All you have to do is point like this, and you could
Then it
kill
could
him.
be Sherjeel as well.
It could be Sherjeel, it could be Arslan, it could be him, it could be him.
No.
You
But
could
me,
be anyone, you just have to point a finger.
with me, it's like this. I can't even see.
You can't do this. With Arslan, you would have to make a decision like 1, 2, 3.
I feel like
With the
last
rest
game,
of us, it would be a like.
last game, right at the start, Waleed implicated Sherjeel, right? So Sherjeel could have been like, oh, what if he like senses something and then he just outs me.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I was very excited when Waleed got out. It's not me though. It's not me though. But that's not an actual.
I think Farhan's.
These are all good shots.
I don't think it's
I'll have fun like this though.
I think
the
guy
guy
is
is
still
still
there.
right now.
I think Sherjeel is suspicious.
Nah, I just think
It's not
odds
ridiculous.
are that it's not Shahzeb because he'd already been Mafia twice.
Maybe.
But still,
These are all valid. Everybody's cooking.
10 times the charm.
I'm not gonna lie.
but we have new people.
Who would kill Waleed?
New okay, who's on the chopping block?
Who would kill
We have new
Who would kill
criminals.
Waleed first round?
I think we should
I
put some.
feel like the most likely candidates to kill Waleed first round, yeah, are these two. Are these two like Saim and Wasif or
I agree.
Which side?
I think.
यार
Okay.
मुझे पता क्या लगता है कि तैयब जो इतना ओवर प्रिटेंड कर रहा है ना हर चीज को तो इतना
I do think
Yo, wait.
Okay, so Tayyab's on the chopping block?
तैयब पता है क्या
Anyone else?
That's it. This time we're
Which
over
guy?
here.
This one?
I think both of them. I think both of them.
Wait.
I want to put him as well because he was the first one to point out that.
Yeah, I want to.
Alright,
yeah.
Okay, fine. All three of you.
Okay.
But Tayyab, you first.
I don't think it's me because like although I can understand the optics of it, I wouldn't kill Waleed because like I've been saying that he's the perfect third imposter. He stays alive, doesn't do anything, and you kind of just have like just someone staying alive and doing like just not doing anything. So based off of that, I wouldn't kill him. I made it very obvious. And I mean, in the game that I was imposter, you saw me keep him alive for a while. So like
I don't think it's
even then, and I don't think it's Saim either, but I do find it suspicious that he did that. But I also think it's more of like, because I know like he's experienced at this game, and I feel like it's like a mental tactic for him to come out, because once you come out the gate and you're doing this, no one's gonna suspect you're Mafia, because why would you just come out and take all the attention?
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Put it. So that's why I do think he's suspicious. Although I don't think it's him, I do find it odd that he did that.
Okay. All right. So in my defense, what I would say is that, you know, I was like fine. I was like looking at everyone. He opened his eyes, and first thing he did was that when he said everyone open your eyes, he pointed out him and he said that he could be the Mafia, right? So one thing. Second thing, if I had to like kill someone, I would have never killed Waleed for the same reasons that he gave. That we have someone just sitting there and doing nothing, right? That would have been like
That's a back show.
no, but still, I would have killed someone who was more involved, and like those people who were like pointing me out in the last games, I would have pointed out them first and killed them, not Waleed. So I am pretty sure it's Saim because he just got into the game, and he was the first person to point Tayyab out and say that okay fine, he's the Mafia. So I'm pretty sure that it's him, and with one I feel like
Wait.
okay sorry and in one go he's going to kill eliminate me and him, and then he has like another person who he's gonna call out in the next round as Mafia.
Wait. All right.
Yeah.
Wait. My turn. I didn't say it was Tayyab. I said I feel like it's these three over here. Why is everyone saying I?
That's fair.
That's hella sus.
That's fair.
I'm just saying. I didn't single out Tayyab. I said three people. I said him, and him. And then you immediately went over.
Bro, you said three people. But when he said, who do you want to put on the chopping board? You said Tayyab. You didn't say these three people. You said
No, it's because
no.
You know why? It's because he's the only one that defended himself when I accused people.
That's not ridiculous.
I called three people out, and he's the only one that defended himself. So
bro, why not that side? Why
It's not a back show.
for the same reason you were saying before. Break up the take this to point forward.
I don't think it's
Okay. Who wants to vote out Tayyab?
No.
But I don't think it's Tayyab. I think it's Aaliyan.
I think it's Aaliyan too.
I think it's Aaliyan.
Okay, well, he's not on chopping board. Who wants to vote out Saim? Okay, who wants to... Whoa.
4 votes, 4 votes.
4 on Saim?
No, it still has to be me.
Yeah, and who wants to vote Saim? Okay, then no one dies.
No one does. Alright.
Okay, everyone close your eyes. Mafia, open your eyes. Mafia, who do you want to kill? Okay, Mafia, close your eyes. Cop, open your eyes. Cop, who do you want to check? Cop, close your eyes. Nurse, open your eyes. Nurse, who do you want to save? Nurse, close your eyes. Okay, everyone open your eyes. So Arslan was playing basketball.
What? Arthritis?
Arslan likes to dunk a lot, and he dunked and he broke the backboard and the glass shattered on his face and he died.
That's Oro. How you go?
I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, so it's bad.
Once again,
Straight.
easy pointing.
It's not ridiculous to say that.
So you think it's Sherjeel and
No, I think it's
It's not ridiculous to say that.
I know who do you think is shit?
It's not a bad show for me.
Arslan was just accusing you. What do I even say about this? See, whoever's doing this is smart.
See, now I
Who's that wrong guy?
now
Is that you?
I know who called it.
It's not a bad show.
I know who called it. I went from under fire to suddenly everyone agreeing with me. You know what I'm saying? So like,
It's not a bad
so I feel like the cop checked me in the night and found out that I'm not Mafia, and then started agreeing with me afterwards. So I think it's Aaliyan.
I also think it's Aaliyan. What do I say? Arslan just did something so bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I only heard Aaliyan's name. Anyone else I'm talking about?
Wait, what?
He was supposed to forget. Yeah.
Who is this guy? I don't think it's this guy.
I don't think it's him.
That's not
Zayn is more sus than him. This guy's not doing anything this entire game.
No,
The past 2 games, he's been pretty active.
Bro, why do you guys put me on the chopping board?
No,
I just accused Aaliyan.
I think
Yo, I think it's Aaliyan.
Just Aaliyan?
Yeah, Aaliyan.
Okay, Aaliyan.
Okay, Aaliyan's on the chopping block.
But listen, okay, game 1, he got me voted out. Game 2, he killed me. And that himself, he's still alive. He's still alive. Doesn't have like
ridiculous.
not ridiculous. And
I mean, but
you killed me twice as well. Yeah,
Okay,
he did. They're both alive. The only 2 people that like I got beef with.
Yeah, no, so if you would kill him first, then obviously you would
I
be,
do,
so you're trying to keep him alive.
I do find it odd that you have like a mental like note of like who like. Who's
Alright,
still
fuck,
alive.
I find it odd that you're still alive. You're really? You gotta be still alive.
Yeah, I was not
The previous 2 rounds, yeah.
I would want to vote Aaliyan out.
I want to vote Aaliyan now.
Okay, Aaliyan.
Damn, bro. Okay, one Mafia is gone.
Everyone go to sleep. Everyone go to sleep. Everyone go to sleep. Okay, Mafia, open your eyes. Who do you want to kill? Okay, Mafia, close your eyes. Cop, open your eyes. Cop, who do you want to check? Cop, close your eyes. Nurse, open your eyes. Nurse, who do you want to save? Okay, nurse, close your eyes. Okay, everyone open your eyes. So Saim
Which time?
Which one?
was driving his Tesla and he had autopilot on
Oh my god.
and his car crashed and he died. Listen.
Oh, what?
Listen.
What?
Listen.
No way, man. What the heck?
Oh, bro, yo. Okay, it's so obvious. It's so obvious.
Bro, that. Yo.
It's so obvious.
No. Bro, it's either one of them. One was Aaliyan. He's gone. But wait. Yo, there's another thing. There's another thing. I think it could be Sherjeel.
No, wait, hold on.
That's not ridiculous to say.
I honestly don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know right now.
I think it's not a lie.
No, those it's not.
It's like there, but I mean,
But wait. In the last one, Simon did call out Mustafa.
I know you never called him.
You called him. Oh, sorry.
I only called him Mustafa because he looked really sad when Aaliyan was getting voted out.
No, I was just thinking it was
Yeah, and he also didn't join us on the vote.
Okay, but why are you calling me out all of a sudden?
There's no reason. He's like, oh my god, what happened? Oh my god. That actually was obvious. You played it off. You played it off.
and he's been sus since the start, and he got very happy when
Exactly.
everyone's like switched off. You're cooking. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I put Sam on the top.
I say it's not ridiculous.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because I'm on the chopping block, but I also want to push you big on chopping block.
No.
Bro, same pattern
I don't
happened
think
last
it's
time as well.
I don't think.
But I'm telling you, this time I think it's Mustafa.
I
Because he wants to divert the attention towards me.
Okay,
But
well,
no one's
let's put
calling
all
you out.
3 of them on
Not
top
put all 3 of them, yeah.
Yeah, Shahzeb, Saim, and Mustafa.
Okay.
Okay, Shahzeb, you first.
I have no defense. It's just it's not me. Tayyab thinks it's me because I'm more silent this time. However, the first 2 games, the reason I had a reason to speak from the get-go was because both times there was movement and I noticed movement and I pointed out this time I can confirm that it's not Tayyab. And
Because he didn't move.
yeah, because he didn't move. I also don't think it's Sam either.
He didn't move
Because he didn't move either.
Okay.
But that's the only reason I'm not speaking is because I have nothing to go off of.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright, so wait, can I go next?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. So I want to say one thing in my defense that in the last round, right? I was like talking to Simon and I was asking him about something. I was like, Sam, who do you think is the mafia, right? And when I said that to him, after that, he said he knows like who the cop is, right? So I think Sam was a cop, and he was like investigating on like each one of us, and he got killed, right? So I just want to say that it's not me, it's him, right? He was calling me out, and you called him out, right? So he's just trying to play and like he immediately started But in the last round, just one thing, like just being more expressive, right, does not mean that okay, you are the mafia, because we have seen that in the last game that Arslan was very quiet the whole time, and he was mafia. He was not saying anything. Okay. So that does not mean that you
Mustafa,
are.
you're
Just to my point, he's saying he thought that Simon was a cop, and Simon is dead. That just adds to my point. Plus, the only reason why he's blaming me was Tayyab called it out, and he just took the opportunity to put it down.
I'm saying that. But he has no reason to call him out. You could have called anyone out. No, but he's just like trying to win the game.
He's trying to think, and I know he's him. No, he's a bad liar. It's not.
Bro, I'm telling you, this time we have to win. We have one mafia.
It's not me either.
That was Aaliyan. He's gone. And I'm telling you.
I think it was these two.
Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to vote Shahzeb? Who wants to vote Saim? Damn. Who wants to vote Mustafa? Mustafa, you're dead.
Okay. Is the game still going on?
Yeah, still going on.
Wait, what? We still have a mafia?
Everyone go to sleep.
No. Wait, what? Bro, that is crazy. We still have a mafia.
Everyone go to sleep.
Okay, go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Okay. Mafia, wake up. Mafia, who do you want to kill? Okay, Mafia, go to sleep. Cop, wake up. Cop, who do you want to check? Okay, cop, go to sleep. Nurse, wake up. Nurse, who do you want to save? Nurse, go to sleep. Okay, everyone wake up. So Shahzeb. What? So Shahzeb was going to Pakistan because he goes to Pakistan a lot. And the plane crashed and he died.
I think it's Sam.
Yeah. Why?
I know, you're just very sus. I don't know.
Yeah, it says,
Look, bro, you're sus too. Bro, you're also sus.
No, listen. At the end,
दो माफिया थे, एक तो चला गया मुस्तफा और एक तैयब है जो रह गया। पता है क्यों मेरी बात हो रही जब मुस्तफा उठ के जाने लगा था तो मुस्तफा ने उधर आई ट्रैक्शन दिया तैयब को दिया और तैयब ने भी ऐसे किया दैट्स मीन ये दो थे जिनमें से एक चला गया दूसरा रह गया नो सीरियसली अभी अगर चांस दिया मेरी बात सुनो अभी अगर चांस दिया ना तो माफिया ने विन कर जाना है
I think we put Wasif.
I don't think it's Tayyab. It's Wasif.
It makes no sense.
One was Wasif and one was Mustafa.
Just put both of them on the floor.
And one thing, Bob is gone. I'm telling you, Bob is gone. Sam wasn't Bob. How do you know?
I'm confident because Sam was the who Bob was. Why was
No.
He knew that he himself was.
That was just a statement.
तैयब है तैयब को अगर आपने ना किया तो गेम हार दोगे इस तो फिर माफिया जीत जाएगा मैं बता रहा हूं सही बात है
You guys want to put Tayyab on chopping block?
Who
votes for Tayyab on chopping
I'm
block?
telling you right now, it's Wasif.
मैं बता रहा हूं कि गेम का एंड है और
Okay.
Who
wants Tayyab on chopping block?
एक दफा तो विलियम यार मैं विलियम सही बात है
Who wants Wasif on chopping block?
Put him on there too. Okay.
ओके गेम ऑन
Just these two?
Bro, wait.
Wait. Okay.
Tayyab,
Oh.
defend yourself.
This guy thinks it's me because I made eye contact with Mustafa when I literally called out Mustafa for being Mafia.
नहीं,
That's like
मैं
the
बता
top 5 like most ironic
इसने
things ever. Right?
मुस्तफा की
I would call out
ऐसे
my
किया,
Mafia friend
That's made me
and then
so
make eye contact with him like, haha, this guy, you voted out Motherfucker. That makes no sense. That actually makes zero logical sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
you explain yourself.
Yeah, you explain yourself.
Explain yourself.
सही बात है मैं बता रहा हूँ कि तैयब और मुस्तफा थे
Reasoning.
मुझे पता था तैयब और मुस्तफा चला गया और तैयब रह गया क्योंकि ये पहले भी मैंने 2-3 दफा नोट किया है इन दोनों का जो है जब सारे आंखें खोलते थे ना तो इन दोनों का इंटरेक्शन आपस में कि किसको क्या ये
I thought it was him.
अभी भी
I thought it was him.
I think it's Mustafa and Wasif.
नहीं सही बात है मैं
It's
बता
Mustafa
रहा
and
हूँ
Wasif.
pretty sure
I
it's
think it's
Wasif.
Mustafa and Wasif. अगर वासिफ नहीं है तो next round में I want to put him.
Okay, who votes Tayyab? Who votes Tayyab?
I don't want him.
Who votes Wasif?
I don't want him.
Okay, Wasif's gone.
The game over?
Yeah, game's over. Mafia.